Sunlight plays an important role in our life. Hello everyone, my name is Shiv Sagar and today I am going to discuss with you a very interesting and innovating topic related to solar energy. So let's go ahead. So our topic is FizzBuzz solar power modules based on SPS-WPT concepts. Before going into this topic, we will see why we need to apply this technique and what are the drawbacks and limitations in using conventional solar modules. We know that this is the era of renewable energy and solar energy plays a major part of it, where we used to convert solar energy into electricity. But there are some problems associated with this conventional process, like huge land requirements for solar power plant setup. Then there are some disasters like cyclones, floods, heavy rainfall often destroy solar panels and cause huge loss. Also, we have to regularly clean the surface of solar panels, otherwise it will block the sunlight. And even if we neglect this problem for a minute, still around 200 million people in India are unable to access electricity. And this is not only in India. So we have to accept some other techniques to use renewable resources with better feasibility as well as more power efficient. So is there any other option? Yes, we have. And the answer is outer atmosphere. So what we exactly going to do is to install solar panels not on land but in atmosphere and in larger number, because in atmosphere we have large space, and then we will capture the solar energy, convert them into microwave signals and then redirect this energy back to earth wirelessly. It's just like how our mobile network works. And this is the overall concept of SPS-WPT, that is space power satellite and wireless power transmission. But we can't simply put these SPS modules in outer atmosphere, so we will use scientific balloon to hold them. It's just like hot air balloon for carrying satellite. Now we can't launch these SPS modules with large solar panels from land, so we will use the concept of space origami and we will fold the solar panels, and then after launching we will unfold them as same as shown in this video. So based on some information, I have tried to design the SPS-WPT module. So in this design you can clearly see this is a scientific balloon which is covered with MLI coating, that is multi-layer insulation coating, to protect the balloon from outer radiation. Then we have a parachute to protect the SPS module from emergency situation, like in some extreme cases if the balloon get exploded out, then the SPS module will get separated from here and the parachute will get opened. And then we have large foldable solar panels which will capture the energy from sunlight, and if there are some sensor then it will get installed here. And there are some RCS thruster which will help in precisely locating the solar panels toward the sunlight to capture the energy more efficiently. And then we will convert all the energy into microwave signals, and then we will transmit this energy back to earth with the help of this antenna which is installed with SPS module. And then the whole energy will be transmitted to the earth and will be captured by this array of antenna, and then we will convert this energy and then we will transfer this energy to the distribution units. So this is the overall concept of SPS-WPT modules. So with the help of this new SPS-WPT concepts, there will be less land requirements and the land required will be only for installing antennas. Then we will have high power efficiency because there are more solar energy in space or in outer atmosphere than on earth, because there is no scattering and absorption of sunlight takes place in outer atmosphere. And also less than 5% we are able to use the solar energy nowadays, but with the help of SPS-WPT modules we will able to capture more energy. Then it will be disaster free and it can be served as a new source of clean energy, and also no cleaning required because in outer atmosphere there is no climatic change takes place, so there is no any atmospheric change, hence no cleaning required of dust, and after all it will be cost efficient.